Hi everyone, today's video is one of my most exciting videos I will ever film because this product here, the Dyson Airwrap Complete, is something that I've wanted for such a long time. Finally, we have now got it in New Zealand, so I recently picked it up from sephora.co.nz. It was $849, which is a lot of money. Like, don't get me wrong, that is crazy. I don't think everyone should go out there and just, you know, throw money away and buy this thing, but it's something that I'm really passionate about. I love doing stuff to my hair. I highlight my hair all the time. I mean, I was like, you know, just go and treat yourself. I think there was an event, something happened, I must have reached a goal somewhere. Or am I just saying that? I must have reached a goal where I was like, yeah, I deserve it. I've always wanted a Dyson hairdryer, but they're really expensive and I just couldn't get myself to spend $700 on a hairdryer, you know, when I've got a perfectly good hairdryer. This comes with a little hairstyling dryer, so like basically a mini hairdryer, and it is amazing. I literally got my hair cut the day that this was sent to me, so it just wasn't good timing. I've been trying to grow my hair out for the past month to actually do this video, and I feel like I finally got to a stage where I'm like happy with the length. Don't worry before you question whether my dog's been out to pee and poo and eaten and drank. He's done all of that before I start filming. He's just being a little brat and having a hissy fit because Kano's outside and he wants to be with his friend and all that, but maybe I'll just let him out actually. Inside. Inside. Shadow inside. Alright, the family's here. Are we all ready, guys? Come here. Come on. Oh my goodness, this is why it takes me so long to film, guys. I'm going to do a first impressions, even though I mean, it's not really because I've already tried out 2 of the items. But the rest of the stuff in the box I haven't tried. Here we go. This thing I wanted to share for so long. This is like sent from heaven. Like, can we just appreciate the color right now? I'm going to insert a clip of the interior of my car because this is literally the color of my interior. It's probably faux leather. I don't know what it is. It's really well made though. There's a magnetic little like claspy thing. You get a lid. And the stuff is all inside looking like this. I already tried the pre-styling dryer, which is just a hairdryer, like a mini hairdryer, and it works really, really well. And the only other thing that I've also tried is the firm smoothing brush. So that's just like this silver one. They've also got this other one, which is the soft smoothing brush, which is like pink, like little pink knobs on. I don't actually know what the difference is, but I've only tried this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably try this one today. Let's get straight into it before we waste any more time. Wand attachment. Slide it in like so. You've got little buttons here on the edge where you just pull down to unlock and you shove it back in there. Right, so you've got numerous settings. You've got a on and off button. You've also got a like mega hot and cool little temperature dial, and you've also got a fan speed. So I've got it on medium and I've got it on extra hot. Okay, so my hair's half dried right now, and that was only what, like less than a minute. I'm gonna clip this one off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try the soft smoothing brush. Clip it on like so. I've just left the temperature and the fan speed the same. Wow, that was absolutely life-changing. It's made my hair so straight. Alright, so I can definitely tell the difference between the firm smoothing and the soft smoothing. This one doesn't untangle my hair that much because, as you can tell, I didn't use a brush at all before blow drying or styling the hair. And this one definitely doesn't handle tangles as well because I've got heaps of like knots in my hair, whereas this one literally just went through my tangles and knots like no other. It literally is like, this one is definitely sent from heaven. This is going to be my next like every single day styler. Like, I absolutely love this. It's made my hair so straight. It was so much faster than the firm smoothing brush. And literally that was like 2 minutes of me using this tool. This is my new favorite tool to make my hair straight. My hair's still a little bit damp, but I just wanted to kind of show this is what the back looks like. I feel I've still got a little bit of work to do, but so far it's just worked so well. I'm so impressed, Dyson. Oh my god, I love this. Should I keep going or should I try something else? Yeah, love, highly recommend this one. It was just so worth it now. Okay, this next one that I'm gonna try is something that I've been dreading for such a long time, because I'm not gonna pretend that I even know how to use this. It's a round volumizing brush, and I mean, I've seen people at the hairdressers use this. They've used it on me, but I've never used one of these before, and I'm gonna look like an idiot trying to do this on camera. But I'm gonna do it anyway, and I mean, it doesn't get as raw as this, you know. I've never used one of these before. I don't know how to use it. I am just going from memory from what other people have done on my hair. Oh my god, this makes me so, I don't even know how to start. Like, do you just, I don't actually know. Okay, I'm gonna have to Google something because I don't think I'm using it right. No, I have no idea. I don't get it. I'm so confused. Okay, well this was a bit of a fail because I don't think I will ever use this brush, but I feel like it gives me like a bit of a flick or like a curl at the end. I honestly don't know. I'm not really impressed. I don't care too much about the round volumizing brush. Moving on to the next one. I think this is a new invention from Dyson. The I don't know how to pronounce it, ear styling little tools, which are like these looking tools, is a new invention from Dyson, and I've seen people use it. I don't know how to explain it, but basically it uses less heat or something to curl and like create waves for your hair. I mean, it just attracts like hair. It's like magnets. That's the easiest way to explain it. It's like magnets for your hair. I know I'm gonna actually look like an idiot doing this. There's also arrows, so I'm guessing this must be for that side where it goes like that. Oh my god. Wait, do I want it to go like that? No, I want it to go like that, don't I? It's so embarrassing. Maybe I should have tested this out before I filmed. I'm so stressed. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm just gonna pretend that I know what I'm doing, but this is gonna go completely wrong. So it's gonna go that way. So do I hold it here? Oh my god, I hope this doesn't snap my hair. Okay, I think I'm going to switch to the smaller one and see how this works, because it was really not working. Take two. Let's do this. We're going to succeed. It's going to be a good day. We're going to do this, right, Kano? Oh, thanks for the support, Shade. I really need it. I'm not sure if this is all going to work for me. I feel like we really should have just done the big ones. I'm sure that... Did that work? That's basically worked, but it's not like very... I think I'm done for the side. That was very rushed, but... Oh, this side's really stuck. Switch over to the other one. This big one here. And I'm going to attempt to do my left side. So this will be, it would have to be, no, it will be this one. So put it here. Right, real test. Let's see how that went. That's quite cool. I do like this side, but I need to brush that out of it. So I definitely feel like I still need to play around with the curler. Like it does what I want it to do, but not the exact same style that I want it to be in. My overall consensus on the Dyson Airwrap complete kit that I've got is, I don't know, I'm not really sure. I feel like I'm really happy that I tried it out and bought it because I love these two attachments. I love the little hairdryer, the mini hairdryer that it comes with. Absolutely love this, and it's going to be my new favorite just everyday hairdryer. And honestly, I think the product that really stood out to me this time was the soft smoothing brush. So this is the one with the pink bristles. I am obsessed. It is definitely my go-to straightening tool. So today I actually did it again, and this is on dry hair. I had blow dried my hair last night and it was all frizzy and everything. I woke up and I decided to use this to film this little outro, and my hair is completely straight. Like, I don't know if you can tell how straight my hair is, how smooth it is. I did put some macadamia, is it macadamia, some sort of hair oil in just to make it like very sleeky, but just like, look how straight that is, you know? This thing is amazing. I feel like it's just so worth it because I know that there is less heat damage to my hair as I use this, and this is just the best straightening tool I've ever used. It's better than like hair straighteners. The time is like a third of the time it takes me to straighten my hair with a normal like iron straightener. No, I don't think you need to go out there and just grab one of these. It is really expensive, but for me, I feel like this is going to be my staple tool, and as soon as I can get used to and practice more with the curlers, I feel like it is a complete tool for me, and that's all I really need. Hope you enjoyed this and found this helpful. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Can we just talk about this right now? But look at him. Look at him.